the next video. See those metal things? They keep the cover off, but I'm going to open up and give it a bigger gap. So I'm going to get those out of there. And I have my little baby snippers. Grab it like this. You know what? I have a feeling that these aren't going to come out until I take off the reed plates. I think they're held in place by the reed plates being in place, so those will come out later. In the meantime, let's say we bend open the covers and have a little fun together today. So I'm going to put the covers back on. Oh, this is such a fun job. Put the screw in at the bottom. How will we bend these covers open in such a way where it looks good and they're in very good condition? How might we do that? What would be the method to accomplish that task? By the way, if I have trouble getting a screw in, I'll just let that lower one drop down and then reset it by bringing the finger back up. What I meant was if the bottom one isn't mating with the top, I'll let the bottom one go down a little bit. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and tighten them up kind of like I would for the actual harp. Now that's interesting. These weren't really on here correct from the factory. They were a little off. I don't have to go too tight down here. Okay, now they're on right. Okay, now, how are we going to bend it? Well, you take like a t-shirt, see? And I grab it with my fingers. I open it up. See? More projection. We need to get more bend though. This t-shirt isn't thick enough. I'm going to need to get a little towel. Excuse me. You coming back down? Okay, heavier towel. Now, you always want to avoid damaging covers. See, there's no damage to this cover. They're just opening up gently. What you do is I bring it close to here. I might work this part. See, I'm very gentle. I don't really get tough with these. But by doing it this way, it gets a perfect curvature under control. And the cover still fit on the harp. Okay, great. See? See the curves? The outward curves? Give them a little bit more. I'm taking my thumb and just pushing it. This is hard work. Yes, it is. See, look at the beautiful curvature I put into that. That means it's more open like a trumpet. That's as much as I need to do. And when I shine it up, it's in absolutely perfect condition. Isn't that lovely? No crimps, no damage to the metal. It's done Kettlewell. It's a joke, of course. I do think these are great harps. let's continue on our fun path of customization. So now we have smacked down the covers with a hammer, then we bent them open. So it's more like what that's called concave. No, convex. Convex curvature versus concave. Better projection. Now we continue with our game. By the way, I am going to cover them with black tape, but that's towards the end of the game. It'll give it a darker tone. Okay, see ya.